Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Inside Organon. In today's video, we will be discussing few of the questions which are most likely to be asked in your AIPGT examination. Also, when you are done with these questions, you will understand that how is your preparation going on. So basically in this video, we have 10 questions. Along with that, you will get 10 seconds for each questions to write the answers in the comment section, and after that I will be telling you the correct answer. Also friends, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि सक्सेस AIPGT से रिलेटेड ऐसे और वीडियोस मैं अपलोड करूं तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे जरूर बताइएगा एंड इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने बैचमेट्स के साथ शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. Also friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon ताकि आप Inside Organon के upcoming updates miss ना करो. Let's get started. So friends, the first question here we have is slow pulse of old age. Let's have a look at the options. Silesia, Gelsemium, Conium Mac and Sorinum. Friends, here are your 10 seconds to write the answer in the comment section. Now the 10 seconds are over and the correct answer is answer number B, that is Gelsemium. Gelsemium is the correct answer to this question in which slow pulse of old age can be seen. The next question that we have is slightest mental emotion causes palpitation. Let's have a look at the options. Actia racemosa, Gelsemium, digitalis and Calcarea arsenicosa. Here are your 10 seconds again to write the answers in the comment below. So friends, your 10 seconds are over. Let's have a look at the answer. The correct answer is answer number D, that is Calcarea arsenicosa. This is a very prominent symptom that can be observed and it is very nicely explained in the Ellen keynotes as well. वहां पर एक highlighted point ये mention करते हुए लिखा गया है that slightest mental emotion causes palpitation and that is Calcarea arsenicosa. Moving on to the next question, weakness of memory, slowness of thought. These both things are observed in which of the following remedies? The options are mercurius, carboanimalis, both mercurius and carboanimalis and carbovegetabalis. Let's start your 10 seconds. Now friends, as the 10 seconds are over, the correct answer is option number D, that is carbovegetabalis. This is the remedy in which weak memory and slowness of thoughts can be observed. Friends, मैंने आपको already carbovegetabalis पढ़ाई है. In that I have already explained that these two symptoms are very important in the case of carbo-veg. Let's move on to the next question. Sexual debility from sexual abuse can be observed in which of the following remedies? The options are selenium, graphitis, sorinum and nux vomica. Now we have 10 seconds to write your answers in the comment box below. So friends, your 10 seconds are over. Let's have a look at the correct answer. The correct answer is option number B, that is graphitis. Friends, I have taught you graphitis as well, and in that remedy sexual debility from sexual abuse can be seen. Moving on to the next question. This is a bit theoretic. Vegetable analog of phosphorus. Vegetable analog phosphorus का कौन सा है? Let's have a look at the options. Ilium cepa, aloe, pulsatilla and rumex. Here are your 10 seconds to write the answers. I hope you are done with writing your answers. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option number A, that is Allium cepa. Allium cepa is also known as the vegetable analog of phosphorus. Let's move on to the next question. Vicarious menses in debilitated constitution. Vicarious menses क्या होते हैं? कई बार menses के दौरान दूसरे organ से, for example nose से bleeding होती है या फिर कहीं और से bleeding होती है. That is known as vicarious menses. Let's see what are the options that we have. Legacies, pulsatilla, crotalus and cecale core. Here are your 10 seconds to write the answers. Friends, I hope you are done with writing your answers. Let's have a look at the correct answer to this question. And that is option number C, that is Crotalus horridus. This is the remedy in which vicarious menses in debilitated constitution, that means debilitated constitution, weakened, prostrated constitution can be seen. So the correct answer is Crotalus horridus. Let's move on to the next question. Constantly loses the thread of conversation. Let's see what are the options that we have. Leccan, Nux moscata, both Lecanium and Nux moschata, and the last option is Medorhinum. Let's see what are you going to write in the comment box. You have 10 seconds. I hope you are done with writing your answers. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is option number D, that is Medorhinum. Medorhinum is the remedy in which the patient constantly loses the thread of conversation. मतलब वो उसको क्या बात करनी है, कैसे बात करनी है, वो हमेशा भूल जाता है. Let's move on to the next question. Toothache while nursing child. Let's see what are the options that we have. Mercurius, Chamomilla, Coffea and Cinchona. Let's see what you are going to write in the comment box. You have 10 seconds from now. I hope you are done with writing your answers. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is option number D, Cinchona, which is also known as China. So this is the remedy in which toothache in mothers can be observed while nursing the child. Let's move on to the next question. Sensation of great coldness in head. Let's see what are the options that we have. Veratrum album, Valeriana, sepia and last option is all. You have 10 seconds to write your options. I hope you are done with writing your answers in the comment box below. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer to this question is option number B, that is Valeriana. Valeriana is the remedy in which sensation of great coldness in the head can be observed. Sensation of coldness on the top of the head, that is on the vertex, is observed in Veratrum album. Here great coldness of head is observed in Valeriana. Let's move on to the next question. Lack of confidence in himself and others. Let's see the options. Anacardium, Platina, Lycopodium and Lacanium. Let's see if you can answer this question in 10 seconds. I hope you are done with writing your answers. Let's check out what is the correct answer. And the correct answer to this question goes option number A, that is Anacardium. Anacardium is the remedy in which lack of confidence in himself and others can be observed. So friends, these were the 10 questions मैं इनसाइड ऑर्गेनॉन पे न्यूमोनिक्स शेयर करती हूँ मेडिसिन की, जिसकी हेल्प से आप मटीरिया मेडिका के AIPGT से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स याद रख सकते हो। तो अगर आप चाहते हो कि वो वीडियोस मिस ना हो अपकमिंग अपडेट्स, तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ऑल्सो फ्रेंड्स, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट दैट आपके कितने आंसर्स करेक्ट थे। So friends, this is all about today's session. I hope this video was helpful. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं ऐसे और वीडियोस अपलोड करूं, तो प्लीज इसे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, बैचमेट्स के साथ शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। Also friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do check it out. You will get a lots of contents related to AIPGT, Organon, Materia Medica, all the subjects. Also friends, do not forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon ताकि आप इनसाइड ऑर्गेनॉन की फैमिली का पार्ट बन पाओ। थैंक यू।